Yeah, who that is though? Shanard, aka King Sim, coming soon. Really? Yeah. Trying to find that path for all you fake niggas. And all you real niggas, thumbs up. Yeah. I don't really talk. I don't play with damn nigga that's gonna do the walk. I'm from that west side. It's on one talk. I send your ass to Riverdale straight through Rachel Walk. I was raised by a lot of dudes. Niggas wanna talk, I cash you in like a lot or two. I don't give a fuck, I'd rather play it like a dollar who. Matter of fact, I'd rather earn a bill, not a dollar through. Yeah, I see you stage when you coming. You reaping for niggas, I eat you raw, then you coming. I cover niggas when head spoken. You never head rolling, this intention of files, nigga, you never head spoken. I live to respect all of my people, but niggas be talking cause I'm ringing their ass just like a beeper. Sometimes I come and I be on my flow and grind, but I be changing my mind cause I'm insane right now. Hey, I never move for aggression, I just move with the weapon. You analysious niggas, you really coming, you testing. So you niggas be referenced like it was sage. HIV, I recorded niggas like it was AIDS. So I live to respect all niggas you attack that. Treat you like a Mexican, I go and get my wet back. I be like, no man, I go on and get my check back. Leave you with the rackets like tennis when I be at that. Hey, sometimes you niggas talk like I'm so wrong, but all I do is think about them niggas that be on that chrome. Rest in peace to all my niggas that is really dead and gone. I really don't give a fuck about you fake niggas, I'm really home. I live a recession cause my life is a blessing, bro. You talking to me, I'm finna interpret say lessons, bro. When I come and twist and fake on niggas, when I go and rape on niggas, you try to go leave me, I just finna go get my rake on nigga. I'm taking place before all niggas better see me yonder. It's fake before dishonor. It hard I'm your mama. Nigga better come talk the drummer, better get that game, better get the rain like an old man when he came with his cane. I'm representing my swag when I come in and ripping the stab. When I ripping his verses, I'm leaving hooks out the fucking with fab. Now fuck a pro lose, no lose, no tool. Fuck a semi-automatic, I just got them pro tool. What'll leave you dead where you stand? I come in to get it. My life is just a recession. I win it, I come to get it. I live to a blessing. Now that was a lesson. I move with all aggression. I serve with analysis. I proclaim the tools on niggas. I rid of the dudes on niggas. You want a water like the rules on niggas. And I can't come past. But yet I would just come through you. Your girl really wetter than a fucking ocean lake view. My ambitions was to win and successfully. Tell all niggas when you do it, come and test me. Grade A student, but I live to perfect thee. I don't give a fuck, so I live to project thee. Overhead projecting ass niggas don't project me. Life is a game, so I don't think you perfect me. Fuck a Super Bowl ring. I just got a champ ring. I don't live life. I got 12 cousin siblings. Loud niggas deadly. You what you want is snowling. Y'all niggas earlobe. You listening. Earring. Slash on opponents when I blast in the air. My ambition was to win just to get it right there. It's Shanard King symbol. A royalty of a beast to remember. Y'all niggas tenders. Y'all niggas competitors. Y'all are contenders. Slice your head open. I don't need a blender. I can serve all niggas when you come to my opposition. You niggas rather cop a mother before you cop a this. I got money to win. I got issues to get them. I don't give a fuck. Follow me, I follow Twitter. You niggas talking like you drama with Unity. I'm lyrically fine with the beat. I'm killing you niggas know. I'm mentally ill. See, I'm killing you niggas feet. I'm lyrically Brad Pitt. I was doing Angelina Jolie. Y'all niggas is dead gone. You niggas is headstrong. You niggas is dead. Zombie meat. You niggas head gone. Y'all niggas just nigga for passion for the love of it. Fuck the game, nigga. I just move cause I'm fucking me. I don't give a fuck about aggression, so protecting the niggas be talking gutter, so I rather move laughing. I don't need a weapon. I got hands, understand when you asking the champion just to pass. Overlook the power and you real known future, cause ambitious in the building and you real known the douche. How you doing, motherfucker? Norbit, this is not restitution, but my pocket's overweighted by the power of the future, nigga.